Should you renovate during Ghost Month? Should you postpone a renovation during Ghost Month, even if waiting could cost more? Every decision has consequences. Delay a project, and labor costs may increase. Contractors may become unavailable. Weather conditions may worsen. Structural problems may deteriorate. Proceed immediately, and there may be other practical or personal concerns. So, the right question isn't simply, is it a ghost month? Ask, what will postponing actually cost? Compare the financial impact of waiting versus proceeding. Check permits, contractor availability, weather, and schedules. Then balance those realities with your personal convictions. Wise property decisions consider all relevant variables, not just the most visible one. Good timing considers economics, weather, logistics, and tradition. The best renovation strategy balances preparation with practicality. Remember to follow Housing Interactive for smarter property decisions.